Hi everyone, welcome to Gayatri Reddy Traditional Designer Studio. This is your Lakshmi. So in today's episode, we are going to show you a beautiful and latest collection of very lightweighted chiffon sarees. So which are with embroidery works and in very beautiful pastel colors. The wash care for these sarees are you can happily go with home wash, and these are the very lightweighted sarees with a chiffon fabric, so with a self printed and even a beautiful and lovely pastel colors. So hope you will like it, and let's start the collection now. So first one for today. So this is the saree with the similar one which I am wearing. So this is in the beautiful baby pink color saree in the beautiful pastel shade. So these sarees it goes with a chiffon fabric and it's very lightweighted sarees. And hope you will like it. And coming to the saree detail, this goes with a 1 inch borders on either side of the saree with a golden borders, and all over the saree goes with a butta style pattern with a embroidery thread work spread it all over the saree, and the complete saree goes like this, which is in the self print. So coming to the blouse, this is a self colored dotted blouse with a self print. The saree cost 1590 rupees. So one more pleasant color. So it's a sea blue color combination. So sea blue completely given with a thread embroidery booties all over the saree. So same like the previous pattern, but the color is different. So coming to this is a complete saree. Goes with a thread buttas, a floral butta bunches all over the saree. Very elegant, and the fabric is really lightweighted and very handy. Pallu. This is the blouse of the saree in the self color, and the saree cost 1590 rupees. One more lovely color, very pleasant color. It's a beautiful pastel shade, apple green color combination. So it's very unique and very pleasant color combinations. Hope you will like it. And this type of sarees you can go for any small occasional purpose. So it will be really good. And coming to the saree detail, and this saree is completely with self print with apple green, and coming to the buttas, same like the previous pattern, completely spread with a floral bunch buttas all over the saree with a contrast color gray. So borders, they have given a 1 inch border with the golden zari borders. Pallu of the saree, really elegant, and blouse with a light dark green color combination and with the self print. And saree cost 1590 rupees. One more color in front of you. This is a beautiful basin yellow color. So all the patterns are same, but you have many color options in this pattern. So each and every color is very pleasant and unique. Hope you will like it. And coming to this saree detail, so same as the previous saree. Completely they have cleaned up with a self print, and all over they have given a booties. So thread embroidery booties with a contrast color combination. So really elegant, and these are very lightweighted and very comfortable to handle. This is the pallu and blouse, plain blouse, and saree cost 1590 rupees. So one more beautiful pattern in front of you. So this is the same color of my saree, and it goes with a baby pink color saree with a beautiful buttas like the previous pattern, but you must observe the butta has changed here. So it's a different butta. Spread it all over the saree. So whichever butta you like the most, you can prefer that. And pallu, a simple and elegant pallu, and blouse. Blouse with the self color in dotted pattern, and saree cost 1590 rupees. One more color for you. So this is a beautiful sea blue color saree. So all these are in the pastel shades, so which you love the most. And yes, coming to this, same like the previous one, but the color vary. So all over they have spreaded with buttas in the contrast color grey and off-white. So complete saree goes with a self print and two-sided borders with a golden zari. And coming to the pallu, this is a simple and elegant pallu, and blouse is with a dotted pattern blouse. And saree cost 1590 rupees. One more lovely color. So in the previous pattern, but the color vary. So coming to this color, this is a beautiful basin yellow color combination with all over embroidery buttas. And saree, complete saree goes like this. Beautiful color combinations. And pallu. This is the pallu, a stripes pallu. And blouse. This is the blouse. And saree cost 1590 rupees. Last one for today's episode. And coming to this is a apple green color combination with a butta style pattern like the previous one. So complete saree goes in the butta style like this. And a light 1-inch golden border. So coming to the pallu, this is the pallu. And blouse goes with a self print with a green color combination. So the saree cost 1590 rupees. I'm done for today's episode. I have shown you 2 different patterns with 4 different color combinations. So each and every color is very pleasant and unique. So you must try it. If you like it, do press the like button, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, please write down in the comment section below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook too. So for orders, visit our website www.gayatrisarees.com. Thank you.